Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
English conversation. Tom is waiting in the lobby to get on the train, but suddenly nature is calling, and he has to ask his friend who is sitting right next to him for help.
Can you do me a favor?
Sure. What is it?
Can you keep an eye on my bag, please? Nature's calling.
Sure. Will you be long?
No. I just want to use the bathroom.
Go ahead. It'll be safe with me.
Hello, Farah. Where are you going?
I'm going to meet my family in the hospital.
Who's getting sick?
None.
I just want to bring it for my family there. They're as doctors.
Oh, I see. I am sorry, Robert. I must go now.
Okay, see you.
Hello, Tia. May I come to your place?
Oh, that will be great.
Do you like seeing movies?
Once in a while.
What do you say if we go to a movie now?
What movie?
What is the movie do you like?
Whatever.
3, 2, 1.
How many rooms are there in your house?
There are 6 rooms. A living room, 2 bedrooms, a bathroom and a kitchen. Which floor is your bedroom on? My bedroom is on the 1st floor of a 3-story house. Is it big or small?
It's not very spacious. Just enough to put necessary furniture in. What color is your bedroom painted? It's painted pink, my favorite color. Do you love your room? Wide?
I love it very much, because it is my private space. Whenever I go home, what furniture does your bedroom contain?
It contains a bed, a desk, and a clothing closet. What do you do in it? Well, I spend most of my free time there reading books and sleeping. How much time do you spend in your room? About 10 hours a day, especially in the evening. Do you share your room with anyone else?
Do you share your room with anyone else? No, everyone in my family has their own room, so I stay there alone.
The 5th topic.
Where is your hometown? My hometown is a coastal state of US. Is it the city or the countryside? I live in a suburb area. What's it known for? It's famous for tobaccos. What do people do there?
Agriculture is the main industry. In my hometown, most of the people here plant and sell tobaccos. How is the atmosphere there? Well, it's quite peaceful. I enjoy the fresh air here.
How are people there? They're friendly and hospitable. Would you like to live in your hometown or somewhere else? Yes, I would. I just wish I can live here forever. Is it easy to find a job there?
Is it easy to find a job there? Manual work is easy to find. I'm not sure about the white collar jobs. Is it a good environment for young people?
I don't think so. The pace of life here is quite slow. If they want to work in a dynamic environment, they'd better move to the city.
Is traffic congestion a big problem in your hometown? Not at all. We couldn't be happier with the traffic system here.
The 6th topic.
What sport do you like? I like playing badminton. Is it easy to play that sport? Yes, it's pretty easy to play. Is that sport popular in your country? Yes, it is.
How long have you been practicing that sport? I have been practicing it for 5 years. Who do you play sports with? I play badminton with my friends. Sometimes with my brother. How often do you play that sport?
I play badminton every weekend. What benefits can you get from that sport? It helps strengthen my muscles. Because while playing, I have to move continuously. It is good to burn calories as well.
Do you like watching football? Online or offline? Yes, I do. I prefer watching football offline and online. Going to the stadium, shouting and cheering are good to release stress.
What is your favorite football team? I like the Manchester United Football Club, also known as the Red Devils.
Why is sport important? Sports are sources of recreation. People can learn how to encourage team spirit when they play sports too.
Alhamdulillah.
Share and subscribe please.